What's up, you guys? It's Graham here. So this video is a bit different than the other videos that I made, but it's extremely important to me. Each year, Realtor magazine comes out with the top 30 real estate agents under the age of 30 here in the United States. And ever since I got my real estate license at 18, I've wanted to apply and be on this list. And in an effort to put myself out there more and make this a reality, I'm applying to the 2018 Realtors 30 Under 30. I'm sending this video along with my application, so make sure you guys smash the like button and make some really nice comments down below so we can impress whatever judge is watching this and we can make a good impression. So let's just get some of the quick stats out of the way here. I got my real estate license shortly after turning 18 years old. I'm 27 years old now, and in 2017, I had just about $22 million in sales volume. Now, where it gets somewhat unique here is that most of that $22 million in closed business has originated in some form or another from posting lease listings on Craigslist from when I first started my career. Now that goes to show you the power of customer service, repeat and referral business, and leveraging the work you put in the beginning to pay off massively in the future. Now going forward, it's not just about increasing my sales volume year after year and growing the business, but instead helping others succeed and showing other young people that you don't have to start in real estate with a ton of experience. You don't have to have a college degree. You don't have to have connections. You can start in real estate exactly like I did, with nothing, with no connections, with no experience, with no college degree, but still end up being successful. And I started this YouTube channel to share my excitement and my experiences selling real estate, especially coming from the perspective of someone who is younger in the business. And I made sure to share the good, the bad, and the funny, and just inspire people along the way and help teach them if they were interested in getting in real estate. So with that said, to whoever's watching from Realtor Magazine, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your consideration. It really means the world to me. Fingers crossed.